back to my YouTube channel. My name's Cori, for those of you who do not know me. On this channel you can find videos about health, wellness, positivity, well-being, and everything that has to do with your overall sense of happiness. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video. I've gotten a couple of requests for me to do a makeup video, so I thought I would make it a part of my fall series. And this is more of like warm tones, as you can see. It's not super heavy, but it's definitely heavier than what I wear like to class, because to class I normally just wear like mascara, concealer, head out the door, okay? So this is like if I was going to lunch or dinner, or just I wanted to look a little bit more put together. Like I'll say later on in this video, this really isn't my forte. I'm not a beauty guru by any means. I've just watched a lot of YouTube videos and picked up a few tips throughout my many years of competitive dance, where I had to wear a butt ton of makeup on stage. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I do for my everyday makeup look, then just keep watching. To start off this makeup look, I just washed my face real quick, exfoliated, moisturized, all that fun stuff. Had a couple requests to film a makeup tutorial, so here I am. I'm sorry if I don't make any sense. I kind of just do whatever. I don't really have a method. I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube, so that's how I semi-know what I'm doing. But anyways, but today I was just feeling a little, want to like look a little bit more put together. So first I'm going to be going in with the Jane Iredale Liquid Minerals foundation. I'm almost out, but I'm in the shade Suntan. And then be right back. I need to go wet this guy. Ow. So I'm just using a Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I just put some of that on the back of my hand, and here I go. Got a little bumpy bump right there. Oh, cool. Yeah. So, as many of you guys may know, I am currently a senior in college. And y'all, I thought senioritis in high school was bad. Just wait till you get to college, okay? I just don't want to do it. I have so many projects, so many tests, and I just have no motivation to do it. Very light coverage foundation. It feels really good and really light. It honestly doesn't feel like I have anything on my skin, and it's really good for dry skin and like sensitive skin, so recommend. I'm going to be going in Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer, and I have it in the shade Light Neutral. Pretty bad dark circles under my eyes from my dad's side of the family. Nothing I can really do about them. They're there forever. So yeah, I'm just going in and putting that concealer under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, my cupid's bow, and on my eyelids as well. And then just using that same little spongy sponge and using the pointy end to blend that in. So I'm sitting at my desk, and the chair that I use, I've made this little like cat hammock. If you guys don't know, I am definitely a crazy cat lady, and I'm okay with it. Anyways, I made this like little cat hammock out of a blanket, like one of those $1 blankets from Walmart for Boo, and she's sitting in it, and it's so cute. So she's literally like right under my butt. I love it. She's very clingy. Dab, dab, dab. Have y'all seen that video of the dad doing the girl's voiceover? And when she uses her sponge, he goes dab, 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 dab. I should have Jack do a voiceover one time for my dad. And then I'm just going to put a little bit more of that concealer on that little bump I have on my cheek. I don't know why, but I always get like, I don't break out. I normally have pretty dry skin, so I don't really get tons of pimples or anything. But lately, I've been getting them like on my cheek in that one spot. Anybody knows what that is? Let me know. I don't know the term for that, but just to, I guess, set all of that, I'm just gonna be going in with, you know, this stuff that everybody uses, the airspun stuff. One of my really good friends, she doesn't go to school with me anymore, but she got me started using this stuff, and she says it smells like a grandma. And it's so true. If you've ever used this stuff before, you know what I'm talking about. Like, it smells like a grandma. But yeah, I'm just going in and setting wherever I put concealer, make it not crease and whatnot. I'm going to be going in with the Double Duty Beauty Contour and Highlight Palette by Tarte. I have used this thing like 2 years now. So that's the contour and that's the highlight. I don't know when, does makeup go bad? Because like, I use the same makeup for like years before I run out of it. I don't got money to buy new ones either. So yeah, I'm just, you know, rounding up my face a little bit with the contour color, that dark brown color. And of course, since it's fall, gotta warm up that face a little bit because I have not seen the sun in a good hot minute. Even though it's still kind of hot here, you know, because I live in the south. But I don't go outside. So then I just like kind of go around and go on top of my brow bone, down the bridge of my nose, on the tips of my nose, and then on my Cupid's bow as well. This stuff smells like vanilla. I love it. I don't really know how to fill in my brows, but one time the lady that does my eyebrows told me, I want to focus, that I have really sparse ends, so just to go in and fill in just the ends of like the little tails of my eyebrows, because you can see my skin and that's not cute. So I just use this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in the color taupe. Yeah, I use the color taupe, and I just go in and lightly fill in the tails of my eyebrows. Nothing too crazy because I don't want to look like angry all the time, you know what I mean? You know, some people that do their eyebrows and you're like, whoo, girl, you look like you want to hurt me. Probably erasing everything I just did, but it's fine. So I'm just gonna take a little time out here because as you guys can see, this is not my forte. My forte is like health and wellness and positivity and all that stuff, but I don't know, I was just really wanting to film a makeup video, and a lot of people have asked me to do one. I don't know why. I'm not good at makeup. With my Morphe, I don't remember what, 35W? I don't remember the name of it. I'll insert it on the screen whenever I go in and edit it. But I'm going in with the Morphe blah 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 palette. M433 brush. And I'm just gonna go in with this color right here. I'm just putting that all over my eyelid and up to my brow bone. Okay. Okay, in with that color right there, and I'm just using this fluffy brush by, I think it's by Crown Brushes. I got it in an Ipsy once, and I love it. I feel like a real beauty guru when I use it. So I'm just going in with that in my crease, just on the outer crease right here, bigger motions, just to really blend it on in, right? Okay. God, I love Morphe, like Morphe eyeshadow palettes. I never used one before, but everybody told me to get one. I finally did. And this is the best eyeshadow palette I have ever used. They just blend so easily, and they're like, there's no fallout, and they're such pretty colors. Like, I want another one already. I just got this one. Okay. And once you're nice and blended there, ladies, a gentleman with this bigger fluffy brush, and I'm going to be using orange color right here because this is a fall makeup look, okay? Okay. Hopefully I don't look crazy. I've never used this one before. Ooh, that's pretty. That's real pretty. Look how those blend so nicely. I don't even know how to blend, but they're just going in there very nicely. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side. This color right here, and I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner crease area, you know, right here, just to darken it up. That same fluffy brush and just blending all of those together. The one that I used earlier, just so I don't look crazy. Going in with that Morphe brush again, I just cleaned it off a little bit. And I'm going to be using that nice shimmery, whitey, pearly color right there. That to my inner eyelid area thing, you know, whatever that's called. Using one of these little brushes, I don't know what they're called. And I'm going to be using that orange color that I used earlier in my crease. And just dabbing it and putting it underneath on my lower lash line, just to even all of those colors out a little bit. Maybelline Master Stay All Day liquid eyeliner in black. I'm so bad at this. Let's hope we don't mess it up on camera. It's not bad. Not my best. Not bad. Here's my secret to making it look like you have fake eyelashes on when you don't, because you are lazy. Okay, L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is the Rose Gold eyelash primer. This stuff is a lifesaver. Go get it and you'll thank me later, okay? So what you do is you just, you know, put it on like regular mascara and it makes you look crazy, but then you put your regular black mascara on top of it, and it makes your eyelashes look 30 million feet long, and it makes your mascara stay on for so much longer. Oh my God, I look like I belong on the Hunger Games, like those crazy people that live in the Capitol. I'm just using the Pixie #1 Bold Black mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara. It's so pretty and it doesn't make my eyelashes look all clumpy and gross. Mascara is probably my favorite makeup product. Like if I had to go without everything else, it would come down to mascara and concealer, because like I said earlier, I have pretty big dark circles under my eyes, under my eyeballs. Isn't that the worst? Whenever you're not wearing makeup and someone comes up to you and asks if you're like sick or tired or something, and you're like, no, it's just my face. This is my favorite highlighter of all time. Aspen Novard like collaboration, and it is the glowy powder in London Luster. Okay, stop focusing, but I don't know how to say that word. This is my favorite freaking highlight powder that I've ever used in my whole entire life, and I have used a whole lot of different highlighters, but this one is super pigmented and just super freaking pretty. How freaking good that is. How pigmented. Highlighter with my damp beauty blender just to kind of like make it look a little more natural and not like I just went whoosh with some highlight powder. And now I'm just going in with the Tarte Lippy Lingerie, and this is, I don't know what color this is, but it's a nice nude color. I got this one in an Ipsy a long time ago as well. Like I said earlier, I can freaking make makeup last, okay? I've had this thing for so long and I use it all the time. And it's super hydrating too, so like it won't dry out your lips. This is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you want to see more videos like this, then definitely comment down below. I don't know, I just kind of thought it would be fun to film myself doing what I do for my makeup. This is a little bit more than I would do on a normal everyday or on a day-to-day basis, but I hope you guys learned something and I hope you guys have a great day. Go outside and do something that makes you happy, and I'll see you guys later on this week. Bye!